Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to input your customers into the management system. It's pretty much the next step on what you're going to do right after you sell a policy. And rather, the first step is to download any documents that the carrier, the insurance company you put your customer with, download any documents that they want signed to your desktop and save them there. You can save them wherever you want actually, but your first step is to, once you sell a policy, you save the documents to your computer that the company wants signed. And step number two is you log into Now Search. This is our management system here. Um, and this is just the desktop, the home screen you're going to see. What you want to do is, let's say you just sold a policy right now. You go and click this plus button right here. You click Insured. That means that it's a customer who actually has a policy. It's not a prospect or somebody waiting to buy anything like that. First thing, you want to always make sure that this is on not commercial but personal. It should be a personal policy unless you did sell commercial. But for most people, it's going to be personal right here. And you'll know that you're on commercial if there's no option for first, middle, and last name. So let's say, let's just do a test subject here. You put the customer's first and last name. You want to put three things: their name. You want to come down here and put their phone number. So I'll just put a fake number and an email address. That's all you have to do. Make sure that you spell the customer's name correctly, because what's going to happen is when you do sell a policy, what's going to happen is the management system is going to, in about, I would say, 1 to 3 business days, the management system is going to get the actual policy sent to it, and it's going to match with whatever you put in here. If the name isn't spelled right, it might not match, and you'll have 2 existing accounts that you'll have to merge later. So you go ahead and press Save Changes here, and that will save your customer's account. And next thing you know, you're going to have you're going to be sent to the customer's page that you just made. Wait for this to load up here. So you'll see it says the customer's name. It has their email address, their phone number. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go to you hover over where it says Documents, and you want to upload everything that the carrier wants you to sign. So if this is going to be the application of insurance, the uninsured motorist rejection agreement, the driver exclusion form, maybe some mileage surveys, all that kind of stuff that the company wants filled out, this is where you're going to do it. So you hover over Documents, you click on this, and you go to Files. And this page is just pretty straightforward. It's going to give you an upload button that you're going to click. It's going to be right around here. And you just click on the button and you choose the files that you originally saved from the insurance carrier. So I'm just going to name this unsigned application /UM agreement, whatever you want. I just put unsigned, that way I know when I'm looking at this file, this isn't the signed document. This is the one that I originally uploaded. So let's just say I'm just going to pick anything right here. It's just, this person was with Nationwide. This is her application. So it's loaded on there. You press upload. Excuse me. And then you see their file right there. And again, this is under Documents, Files. Everything you ever upload will be right here. The second part is, let's say you charge them a broker fee. You're going to go to Documents again and go to Forms this time. And under Forms, you're going to see pretty much any kind of form you're going to need with running an insurance agency is going to be here. We have the ones that you're probably going to use right away, starred. And if you did charge a broker fee to somebody, you're going to do the CIA, that means Casablanca Insurance Agent Broker Fee Agreement. You're not going to download it. You're going to press the green edit button. And there's 2 things you want to remember when you're doing this. 3 things rather. You want to put the date, which it'll pre-fill for you. You want to put the amount. Let's just say you charge a $200 broker fee. And you want to put the customer's name, which in this case is subject. And the first name is testing. And you're pretty much done with this. You press add. This is now going to add this form with the $200 broker fee on there to the customer's account. So you'll see now this appears here. There's going to be one more document that you need with every policy. If you don't do a broker fee, you don't need this document, but with every policy you do, you're going to need this document. It's the promise to provide. This is the page where the customer signs saying that they're going to give you a picture of their driver's license and a picture of the registration, and in some cases when you have comprehensive and collision coverage, the pictures of the vehicle, which is right here. This is the easy part. All you have to do here is come down, put your name. I'll put my name here. You type the policy number, so let's just say, you can read that from the ID cards or the app, and now you're done. You go ahead and you press add. What this just did was it prepared the two documents you're going to need the customer to sign, and you also uploaded the application already. That was the first step that we did. So our next step is going to be sending out these documents for signature. So if you go ahead and you go to this gray button right here, it says send file / forms. We're going to click on that. Next thing you're going to do is, when you come to this screen, you check every document that you want to send. In this case, it's all of them, but you might have more sometimes. So we're sending the promise to provide, broker fee, and the application. You scroll down here, you'll see their email's already on there because we put it in step 1. Uncheck fax. We're not sending a fax. Make sure you check sign now special. Sign now regular won't work. Has to be sign now special. And press send selected files. We're almost done here. So this should open up a window with sign now. And as you can see, sign now is loading right here. And this should have the 3 documents. Now Search should have sent the 3 documents to sign now for you, so you don't have to manually upload them. Let's see, it's going a little slow here. There we go. There's our 3 documents. Your next step is click on more, click on merge documents. And you want to click your 3 documents that you're doing. Press next. Usually name it. Our customer's name in this case is testing subject. And what I always do, guys, is I make sure the application is first, like it is right now. The broker fee agreement's in the middle, and the promise to provide is next. You press merge. And now what sign now is going to do is they're going to make one document that has all 3 of these in it. And that is it. That's how you create an account and send out for signature. We're going to have more training videos on how to do the e-signature part. That'll be in another video. But this is how to get your documents generated, how to get the account created right away so you don't have to wait 2 to 3 business days, and how to send your document out for signature. Thanks for watching.